Yo guys, it is Cheezh and welcome to this brand new video here on this channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to actually record your screen like I'm doing right now at this moment. It's actually a really easy thing to do, but you have to know which software you've got to use. To give you guys the software you got to use to be able to record it. It's all free, so don't worry. First off, you're gonna want to go to Google and you type in OBS, Open Broadcaster Software. Click on that, which brings you to the home of Open Broadcaster Software, which just gives you the newest version of OBS at any time. We are going to just download it for Windows, so let's click on Windows. It supports Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and Windows 10. So I'm pretty sure you guys got one of these if you're on Windows, and otherwise you could just go for Mac or any other options. Then you click on here, make sure you just set it up, next, agree with it, and so on. We already got it installed, so the only thing we have to do is click on OBS Studio right here and open it up. For you guys, this will look all empty. So this is all empty, this is all empty, everything is all empty. Maybe it even looks like this. You have to enable your preview. You can enable and disable your preview right here. You got scenes and sources. You just want to create a scene. I call the scene new. You just go right click, add, create a scene, and then you click on it. So now you've got a scene. You click on the scene, and in the scene you're going to put some sources. Right click, add, just like you did on the scenes, to add a new scene. And now you've got a lot of possibilities which you can add. You can add pictures, game captures, display captures. If you just want to record like literally the desktop screen, you just go for display capture. I'm gonna just call this one recording my display, enter. I've got different screens. I've got 3 screens, so you gotta just select the screen you want to record. For example, this is the screen I'm using right now, so that's why I like duplicates itself. I've got this screen right here and this screen right here, which is recording my audio right now. We're just going to go with this screen, and you see it's really easy. I can just drag this out for you guys to see that's actually working. You click on OK. So now you've selected your source, which is of course the display recorder. We're recording the display right now with this thing right here. You got so many different things you can record. For example, this is a microphone input. This is a browser, so a website which you can open up. This is a game you can record. This is a media source like a video or a GIF, something you can just drag in here. Video capture device, for example, a third party like an Elgato or something. Window capture will allow you to capture a specific window. We're just fully recording the whole screen like you see. We also want some audio, so we're going for settings, audio, and then you can select desktop audio device. If you put it on default, it's just going to select. It's just going to record the desktop audio, so the audio you will hear as well through your headset, to your speakers, through whatever. If you open up YouTube right now, and if I start playing like a random video, let me just go for YouTube. I'm just doing this on my second screen right now, and if I go for uncopyrighted music, I put in a song. You guys will see that it works. Here you go, uncopyrighted songs. There it comes. If you look at the desktop audio right now, you see it goes up. So now you know the audio works, because we just checked out. You can record the display, we checked out. We still got something to check, which is the recording settings. So you set that up. You set up that you want to record the screen and you record the audio. And now you also want to set up on what kind of quality you want to record your desktop. I've got it set on 60,000. That's because I do gaming videos, and that's really high. You guys can probably just set it around 2,500 or 5,000. So for example, you put it on 5,000 for you guys. That will be good enough. I would put the container format to MP4. That's H.264. That's for like most people use that format because it's the best format. If you got a video encoder, make sure to select it right here. If you got a graphics card, select it. If you don't, doesn't matter. I put my audio bitrate on 320 because it's the highest bitrate possible for audio. Bitrate is actually selecting the quality of your video or your audio. You can also select different audio tracks. I would just keep it on 1 if you want to keep it simple. An audio encoder if you got an audio card in your PC as well. And you can also select where you're actually sending the videos. So you go here, you go to browse, and you actually select a map where you want to send the video to that you're recording in this program. And you can select the audio bit right here as well. That's everything you need to know. For the output, you got the audio selected, which we already did. You want to go to video. If you know what your PC is, if your PC monitor is like full HD, it's 920 times 1080. That's what it is. If it's for example it's 720, it could also be 720 if it's like full D and not full HD. Then you can also select the frames per second, so how many pictures per second. If it does matter to you, most people just put it on 60 and then they apply. And how do we record? All the settings are correct, the audio is correct, this is correct. So actually we are recording my screen right now with this program. You only have to click on start recording. I will just drag this away for you guys, and you will just see that we're recording this right now with the program. You don't actually see it on my right screen. I can see it says stop recording. If I click it, it's actually really easy. Like, you just drag things around, doesn't matter what you do. But if I put it back here and I click on stop recording, it actually did send it to the map we selected earlier. So we're going for the map. You guys probably know where your map is. Select it, and this is it. There's no audio in there because I didn't have a video on or whatever, but this is how it works. This is actually how easy it is to record it. You can see me dragging around and stop recording again. That's how it works. So if you easily want to record your screen, this is the way to do it with OBS. I hope you guys really like this tutorial. If you did, give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, consider subscribing if you really enjoyed it and you want to see more of these tutorials to get better at these kind of things. Make sure to do that then. I will check you guys tomorrow at a brand new video. This was Cheezh. Peace.